Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video we're going to be talking about registration of a business name with the Corporate Affairs Commission. So I want you to watch this video today, and because this is a proper guide to walk you through business name registration. So it will help you to understand the different challenges you might face and how long it will take you to carry out your business name registration. And make sure you subscribe to this amazing channel so that you will be able to see other videos I'm making later on. So give this video a thumbs up if it is something you are interested in. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the video. So the first thing I'll be doing is to go back to the dashboard and click on the new name reservation. So here on the dashboard, I'll click the new name reservation. So it will bring you to this place where you are asked to enter your business classification. Of course, we are here for business name. I'll click on business name. So on the business type, you click on sole proprietor. Then you click on continue. So now this is the company information that we are being asked to enter our name, for the proposed name you want to use for this registration. Let me see. Okay. So you click on the nature of business category, the category that you want your business to be, or business category you want it to be. So you want to look at that and choose the one that best is suitable for your business. Okay, I'm actually looking for advertisements. Oh, I don't think there's an advertisement here. Okay, so I'll just go for other service activity. So under the specific nature of business, I'll go for advertisement. Then now when you are done, this is where you check the availability, if this particular name you've chosen is available. So I'll click on check availability. Now you can see we are good to go. They say congratulations, the proposed name is available for registration. So when you have this, you are actually good to go. But if not, let's say this is not good to go, they can just tell you that sorry, you have to choose another name. So there's no cause for alarm. You just have to continue with the twist and get the suitable name. So I'll just click on continue. So we are being asked to click continue to payment. So do you click on continue to payment? Now here they say please note that you will not be allowed to make any modification after payment. So this is where you click on remitter. We have to pay 500 naira. Click on remitter. It's processing, so wait for that. So here we are being asked to enter through our card number or maybe back transfer, USSD code, any of the ones suitable for you. So we have to pay 663 naira 94 kobo. So I'll just go ahead and enter my card number. They are processing our payment here. So here we are going to send a token to this particular number. So you wait for them to send the token. So you quickly click on that to enter the token. So you click on verify and proceed. You wait for it. They are processing our payment now. Okay, your transaction was successful. So they're going to send us our receipt. So you can see here is our receipt for the payment. So we are done with our registration, your reservation. So you just wait. They are still processing it. So now they say name registration successful. So your availability code is look at, I've copied that. You copy your availability code. So they are asking us to continue to filing. So this is where you continue the registration. So I'll just click on continue. Now here, look at, we have 3 steps to enable us to carry out this whole process. So before we get to the review stage, this is where you enter the information, the whole details of this particular business. So as the business name is already generated, it asks to enter our nature of business is actually there. We have our company email. You want to enter your company email as well. Then you want to enter your company state of residence, where the business, the state. Then also you enter the city. This is the company street number, and also the company street address. Then this is the business commencement date. In this place, I want you to enter the day or date of that business, the day you are doing the registration of that business. The reason why is because if you enter maybe the date you started your business, let's say you started your business before now, if you enter that date, it's going to, CAC will charge you for those days as if you've defaulted. So enter the date you are doing your registration. So now I'll just, for the purpose of this video not to be too long, I'll just quickly go through all this. So when you are done, you just click on save and continue. So you just go through the proprietor details, the phone number, everything is being written here. So when you are done, that you have seen it, everything is cool, you just click on save and continue. So now this is where you upload the documents. So we are being asked, the document must be in an image format, in JPEG or in PNG, and the size should not exceed 2 MB. So this is where you are asked to enter the proprietor. You select the proprietor, you select the means of identification you want to upload. So this is where you upload the proprietor means of identification as well. You upload it there. So this is where you upload the proprietor passport, right? Then here you upload the proprietor signature. So I'll just, for the purpose of the video not be too long, I'll just quickly upload all that. So I'm done filling my proprietor details, the means of identification. I've uploaded my means of identification. I have entered the passport and the signature. So you just click on add proprietor document here. You toggle that. So this is where you preview all you've done. You can see that they've showed us that the means of identification, the file upload is 100%, and the passport also 100%, the signature as well 100%. So if you want to view the file or you want to change the file, you can just click here to view the file or to change the file. So if you are good with it, you click on continue. So this is where you'll be asked to preview all you've done so far to see that everything is cool. So if you are good with everything, you want to look at it very well, you just submit and proceed to payment. So you wait for it, they are getting your information. So here, this is where you make payment of 10,000 naira for this name to be reserved and registered for you. We are done with the reservation. This is for the registration, for them to have your name registered. So this is where you just make the payment. So you want to click on the remitter button. So you will go through the same process as the name reservation. You want to pay through bank transfer or USSD code or any of the means that is cool with you. So you just want to enter your card number, your everything. So we are going to be making the total payment of 10,215 naira. So when you are done with that, Of course, they will help you. CAC will start with the review process for you. So once you are done with your payment, you want to check your dashboard. It can be on the maybe either on the not submit section. You just want to click on that and move it to pending or approval. So if you have gotten to this point, I want to believe that you'll be able to carry out your registration yourself. But if you're having any difficulty carrying it out, you can chat me up through my contact in the video description below. And also, if you find value with all these, I want you to like this video, share it, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.